you're craving something sweet today, I've got the perfect dessert for you. Welcome, I'm Rose Zotley, and today we're making banana pudding.
If you're in the mood for delicious food, come cook with Rose Zotley.
To a mixing bowl, add 1 package of Philadelphia cream cheese. It must be softened, so you want to leave it out for about an hour to soften. Then mix until slightly creamy. Add 1 package of vanilla pudding mix. This is a small box, which is 3.4 ounces. You'll also need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And 2 cups of cold milk. Mix for a few minutes until nice and smooth. Start at a low speed, then gradually increase it. You'll see this consistency. It will be a little runny, but it will harden once it sets. Cover and place in your refrigerator for at least an hour so it sets. In the meantime, to a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of regular granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Start on low speed, gradually increasing until you get nice peaks. After 1 hour of your pudding setting, this is what it'll look like. Add your whipped cream to your pudding mix. Then fold until well combined. It should look creamy and fluffy like this. Refrigerate for another hour before assembling. You'll also need a box of Nilla wafers. Place a few in a Ziploc bag, then crush them using a meat tenderizer or a rolling pin. I usually buy the mini wafers when I'm putting them into small glasses, or the larger ones when I'm placing it in a big bowl. For your bananas, you'll need about 3 to 5. It really all depends on how much you're making. Now, when you slice your bananas, try and slice them the same width for decor purposes. For single servings, you can use wine glasses, mason jars, or parfait cups. I start by adding a few wafers to the bottom, then go in with a layer of my pudding mix. Now I'm going to add a layer of banana slices. Then I'm going to add my wafers upright around the glass. Let's add another layer of pudding. Then I'm going to add a layer of my crushed wafers. This time we'll set bananas upright around the glass. Add some more pudding. Add a layer of wafers and then place more of them around the glass. Then just a little more pudding. Add your bananas around the glass. I'm just going to add a little bit more pudding in here. Then you want to add a little bit of whipped cream on top. Now normally I would tell you to make a little extra whipped cream and add it on there, but today I'm cheating a little bit and I did use a store-bought can so I wouldn't have to make more. I'm adding a little bit more crushed wafers on top. And this is optional but yummy. I like adding some of this Ghirardelli Caramel topping. And here you have it, delicious banana pudding. Now who's ready for some? I know I am. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, share, and comment.